5 seconds to go. Start. Thereafter, this court, by an order dated 22nd July 2019, directed the result of the first year MBBS course to be declared provisionally, subject to the outcome of the writ petition. It was made clear in the said order that the students shall not claim any equities on the declaration of the result. Interim Appeal number 140 of 2021 has been filed by the students seeking a direction to permit them to appear in the second year MBBS examinations. We have here Mr. P. S. Patwalia, Mr. Ranjit Kumar and Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, learned senior counsel appearing for the college, Mr. Neeraj Kishan Kaul and Mr. Nikhil Nayyar, learned senior counsel, Mr. Trideep Pius, learned counsel for the students, and Mr. Gaurav Sharma, learned counsel for the Medical Council of India. The contention of the college is that 132 students were admitted on 5th September 2017 from the list of 735 candidates who have applied pursuant to a notice dated 4th September 2017 strictly on the basis of merit amongst those who approached the college under extraordinary circumstances. It was argued on behalf of the college that the third respondent was lethargic in not allotting sufficient number of students for admission to first year MBBS 2017-2018 till 4th September 2017, though he was informed about the order passed by this court on 1st September 2017 itself. On 5th September 2017, the third respondent allotted only 150 students, out of whom initially 9 and thereafter 9 students took admission. The third respondent was informed about the fact that only a few students took admission. However, the third respondent did not allot students from the list of 735 students. Having no other alternative, the college made admissions from the list of 735 candidates who have applied pursuant to the notice issued by the third respondent on 4th September 2017. It was also argued on behalf of the college that the admissions were based on merit of the candidates who have applied, and till date there is no complaint from any student that he or she was ignored in spite of being more meritorious than the students who were admitted. The students pleaded ignorance about any illegality or irregularity in the matter of their admission to the first year course. They were hopefully waiting for their admission in case the 150 students who have been allotted to the college do not join. Only 18 from the list of 150 students sent by the third respondent joined the college. Pursuant to the urgent notice, they participated in the selection process conducted by the college and were admitted on the last date fixed by this court, that is 5th September 2017. As they cannot be held responsible for any violation of the regulations, if any, they request this court to permit them to complete the course as they are all NEET qualified candidates and their names were in the list of 735 students who applied pursuant to the notice issued by third respondent on 4th September 2017. The Learned Council for the Medical Council of India relied upon Regulation 5A of the Medical Council Regulations on Graduate Medical Education 1997 to argue that all admissions to the MBBS course shall be on the basis of the merit list of the NEET. Admissions shall be made from the list sent by the Director General Medical Education on the basis of ranking of the students in NEET. The college can make admissions of students allotted by the Director General Medical Education. In case students from the list of 150 did not join before the last date, the college should have approached this court for extension of time and for a direction to the Director General Medical Education to allot more students. It was argued on behalf of the Medical Council of India that the students who were admitted contrary to the regulations are not entitled to claim any equity, and the college, which acted in blatant violation of the regulation, is liable to be penalized suitably. Regulation 5A of the regulations provides for counseling for admission to MBBS course in all medical educational institutions on the basis of merit list of NEET. According to the said regulations, no admissions can be made by the petitioner college on its own. By an order dated 22nd September 2016 in state of Madhya Pradesh versus Jain Narayan Choksi and others 3, this court held that all admissions to medical colleges shall be made only as per the centralized counselling done by the state governments. The college ought not to have admitted 132 students by conducting a selection on its own without requesting the third respondent to send more candidates. The third respondent cannot be blamed for any delay on his part in carrying out the directions issued by this court. Stop.